massive heartbreak for India. Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified. We're yet to find out more details on this. A huge heartbreak for India as we hear Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified because she's reportedly overweight for that category. We're trying to understand what really happened here, but we're bringing to you news as it unfolds. Massive heartbreak for the country as Vinesh Phogat, who literally defeated world #1 wrestler in her category, has now been disqualified from the 50 kg category. It appears that she is overweight for this category. A big disappointment. Vinesh Phogat, remember, just last night had created a record, becoming the one and only woman wrestler in India to reach the stage of winning a gold medal. In fact, she has made us proud in every sense of fighting the way she did, beating the world #1. And last twist in her previous match was a real surprise. The way she came back with a lot of strength and technique. And Vinesh Phogat was really gunning for a gold. We were gunning for her. It's really disappointing and shocking that Vinesh Phogat, we believe, has been disqualified. What are the options now? I'm going to try and patch our sports correspondent, Nikhil Naz, who's in Paris right now. He's been tracking the developments very closely. We're going to try and patch him, but for now, the information that we have is Vinesh Phogat has been disqualified in her category. This is huge heartbreak and disappointment for India. She really made it till the point of gold, but is there another option? Is there something that could be done at this point? Very likely that she could miss a Paris medal. This is what reports now suggest. The Indian wrestler Vinesh Phogat has been found overweight on the second day of the competition in the 50 kg category and will likely not make it to the podium today. It's highly disappointing because India was really gunning for her. Big heartbreak and a twist in fate for Vinesh Phogat, a wrestler who's really beaten all the odds. Remember, she was out on the streets protesting against some of them in power, accusing them of sexual assault. It literally, the forces came together to fight at that time, and many of them discredited her, calling her a person who's already finished in the sport, and said that she has absolutely no credibility, that she won't make it to professional games like the Olympics, which is why she's using her time attending protests. Those were the comments that were made. Vinesh Phogat really struggled through all of that, coming to a point where she's nearly winning a gold. And it's a big heartbreak. Now we hear that she's been disqualified because she's overweight for the 50 kg category. A big blow for India, certainly at the Olympic stage. Vinesh Phogat, who was really gunning for gold at maybe one match. Today's match was a decider where she would be ideally winning a gold for India had she won. This is a massive disappointment. Rahul Rawat, our sports correspondent, joins us for more on that. Rahul, we hear that she was overweight for the 50 kgs category, and on the final day of this match today, this evening is that final, and right before the match begins, we hear that she's been disqualified. What a big blow.
Well, that is exactly what has happened. So as per the new rules, you have weight on both the days. That is yesterday in the morning, she had to given her weight, and today as well. And that is when it was realized that she was a few grams, 100 grams overweight. And that is the reason why she has now been disqualified. And the Indian contingent has made this announcement official.
But please tell us a little more on whether something could be done with this regard. Is there a way that she could be still playing in a different category? What really has happened?
No, Nabila, that cannot happen. See, she was to